Welcome to Projectcubicle. Today we will answer the following questions. What exactly is Salesforce CRM? Why is it used by over 150,000 businesses worldwide? If you've ever wondered how companies manage sales, customer support, and marketing all in one place, this beginner's guide is for you. Let's break it down. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud computing company based in San Francisco, founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff. It changed the way companies manage customers by pioneering cloud-based CRM, or customer relationship management, software. Before Salesforce, CRMs were clunky and slow to set up. Salesforce made everything accessible online as a service, and that changed everything. Today, Salesforce is one of the largest software companies in the world, offering tools not just for sales, but also marketing, e-commerce, service, and more. What is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a system for managing your company's relationships and interactions with both current and potential customers. It helps businesses track customer data, automate tasks, and improve communication, all from one central hub. CRM tools can include everything from sales calls to support tickets, marketing emails, and social media messages. Ultimately, CRM helps businesses increase productivity, boost sales, and provide better service. What is Salesforce used for? Salesforce is a multi-solution platform designed to help businesses of all sizes connect with customers, streamline operations, and grow. Here's what you can do with Salesforce. Track and manage contacts. Follow up on leads and opportunities. Build and automate email marketing campaigns. Run e-commerce stores. Store customer communication history. Connect with third-party apps. Use AI to personalize experiences. Automate repetitive tasks. Whether you're selling a product, providing customer service, or managing a marketing campaign, Salesforce ties it all together. Benefits of using Salesforce. Salesforce stands out for a number of reasons. Centralized customer data. Everyone on your team can access the same up-to-date customer profile. Cost savings. No need for expensive on-premise hardware or IT maintenance. Faster support. Service teams can respond quickly with complete context. Time savings. Automation cuts down on admin work. Security. Data is protected at every level. Easy integration. Connects with apps like Slack, Outlook, Gmail, and more. Scalability. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, Salesforce grows with you. And with AI-powered tools like Einstein, Salesforce can even make predictions, draft emails, and offer suggestions. Salesforce Product Overview. Salesforce offers specific tools for different business goals. Sales Cloud. Close more deals with smarter sales tools. Marketing Cloud. Manage automated, personalized campaigns. Service Cloud. Deliver faster, better customer support. Commerce Cloud. Launch and grow online sales. B2C and B2B. Einstein AI. Predict trends, automate tasks, and personalize interactions. You can mix and match these tools depending on your business needs. How to get certified in Salesforce. Interested in a Salesforce career? You're in luck. Salesforce dominates about 20% of the global CRM market, and demand for certified professionals is high. Start with certifications like Salesforce Administrator Certification, Salesforce Platform Developer Certification. These courses often include hands-on training with Salesforce Lightning, practice tests and quizzes, blended learning options, self-paced plus live classes. Access to recorded sessions even after the course ends. You can even choose corporate training if your entire team needs to learn Salesforce together. Salesforce CRM is transforming the way businesses connect with their customers. From marketing and sales to support and e-commerce, it brings everything together in one powerful platform. Whether you're a business owner, IT professional, student, or aspiring Salesforce admin, Now is the perfect time to explore the power of Salesforce CRM. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped clarify Salesforce CRM for you, drop your thoughts in the comments, save it for later, and check out our other guides on CRM, business tools, and the latest in tech trends.